Hello guys, welcome to the Talk Tech platform. Today I'm bringing you an interesting story, an interesting trick, an interesting secret about transferring of airtime. We normally do airtime transaction, that we transfer airtime from agents or from vendors, but here there's a secret and there's a trick that I'm going to show it to you, that you are going to do or transfer your own airtime into your own account. Yes, you are going to transfer airtime into your own account. Yes, this is possible and this is true. I challenge you, you can do it. Yes, you can surely do that. So you can see, sometimes you may see you have a lot of airtime there, and maybe your relative or your friend may demand an airtime from you, but you really wish or want to send them some of the airtime, but you don't know how to do it. There's a secret there and I'm going to show you now. Based on this video, if you really want to know how or the secret about this, stay tuned and follow to the end of the video, and I know you are going to benefit from this video. So in this video, I'm featuring you on how, or the easiest way and the best way and the secret about you transferring airtime from your account to other account, not probably from your mobile money. No, how you can transfer your airtime from your own account to others account. I mean, how you can share or share airtime to your friends. And this is really so fantastic. And I know you are going to enjoy it, so stay tuned and let's know how the steps work. So I want to first of all check my airtime. So my airtime is *124 then hash. I have sim1 and sim2. They are all MTN. Let's check. My sim1 is MTN, my sim2 is MTN. So I want to check it. Let me check my airtime. I have 1 cedi 11 pesos as the airtime I'm having, and I want to send 1 cedi of this airtime I'm having to my other MTN number. You can see, but I've told you I have 2 MTN numbers here. So I want to send an airtime, that's a credit, on sim2 to that of the sim1. So let's see how the steps is. So the first step you have to do is to dial this code *198#. *198#. You dial this code *198#. This is the code *198#. Then you call. Because I want to transfer from sim2 to that of sim1, let me call from sim2. I'm calling. This menu will pop up. You can see option 1 says activate, option 2 says transfer, option 3 says change pin, and option 4 says exit. So the first thing you need to do when this information pops up to activate on transferring airtime from one sim to other sim or to different sims. So here we just have to press or select option 1, which says to activate. So you need to activate yourself. Then with the activation of yourself, it says choose new pin. So with the pin that you have to choose, we normally use the default pin, which is 1 2 3 4. We use the default pin, which is 1 2 3 4. So I re-enter my pin again, 1 2 3 4. This is the default pin we use. Then you send it, and you can see you have already activated on me to you service. Because I'm already on this service, this is what I got. If you are not on the service and you activate, you say you have successfully activated on me to you. Then from there you go to this step. The next step is to dial the code again, *198#. Then you call again. I'm going to transfer. Bear in mind, I said I'm going to transfer airtime from one MTN to other MTN. So this time around, this step, I'm going to choose option 2, which is what transfer. I have to go straight to transfer the airtime. So I choose option 2. then send it. Then here it says enter receiver MSISDN. Okay, when we say MSIDN, it simply means mobile station international subscriber directory number. Okay, and with this MSISDN, it simply means it's the phone number you use to connect with a specific mobile user on a network. It means your number that you use to call other numbers is what we call as the MSISDN. Okay, so here it says enter receiver phone number. Okay, enter receiver MSISDN means enter receiver phone number. So the number you want to send the credit to is what you need to input there. So I want to send it to this number 055 0278674. This is the number I want to send it. Okay, then I press send. Then I enter the amount. Bear in mind I have 1 cedi on my account, so I want to send the 1 cedi to the number that I just entered. So I choose 1. It says here, look at it carefully, enter amount. Okay, you know sometimes you send maybe an amount which includes decimal, maybe 250 pesos, 550 pesos, or 1 cedi. So here enter the amount, press the first whole number, that's the first value, that is the 1 cedi, and the second option says enter decimal value, and you know 1 cedi is 1.0. okay, so the decimal value is the 0.0. okay, so here you need to enter what 0 there, 0. okay, assuming if you want to send 1 cedi 50 pesos, you point is 5, that's the decimal is what 5. okay, that is 1.5, that's 1 cedi 50. So here I'm sending 1 cedi, so the decimal should be 0. Then I press on send, and here it says enter pin. Bear in mind the pin is the pin that you impute or you used when you were activating on the meet to you. okay, so the pin is 1 2 3 4. okay, that's the pin that I used. okay, then I send, and you can see the next step says confirm transfer to 0550, this number. okay, that's enter 1 to confirm, enter 1 to confirm, and 2 to reject. So here I want to confirm it, so I will enter 1 or input 1. Then you can see you have successfully transferred 1 cedi to this number on December 24th 2020. that okay, so the charge is 10 pesos. So when you transfer the number, you will be deducted, or 10 pesos will be deducted from your account. okay, so you can see, let me see the message. It says you have received 1 cedi from this number, your updated balance is 1 cedi 20. You can bear in mind I told you I'm using 2 MTN, so I transferred the number, the amount, the airtime from sim 2 to that of the sim 1. okay, so as you can see I transferred the airtime on sim 2 here to that of the sim 1. that's why I got the alert here, you have received 1 cedi, and mine, it says your updated balance is 1 cedi 22. let me check this one to see if I have 1 cedi 22 there for you to see. So, and my sim 1 is what, I'm checking the airtime on sim 1. The airtime on sim 1 is 1 cedi 22, as you can see. So this is how you can transfer airtime to your relatives or to your friends when you have a lot of airtime. Thank you.